السلام عليكم وهوي Somali. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today's lesson is about Xubnaha Garashada ama loo yaqaano Dareenka. It's about 5 senses, also called in Somali. There's 2 ways of saying senses or 5 senses is Xubnaha Garashada ama Xubnaha Dareenka. So there are 5 senses. The first one is Urinta, which is a smell, and the other one is touch. Also taabashada, maqalka, which is hearing, araga ama aragtida, which is vision, and dadanka, which is taste. Okay. So xubnaha garashada 5 senses again: urinta, taabashada, maqalka, araga, and dadanka. And also in Somali, these are called sanka, this organ of smell, that smells is sanka or nose, and ga'anta is representative of touch. Even you can feel anywhere in your body, hand is the representative of ga'anta. If you need more details about the body parts, you can refer to our video about body parts. And tabashada is also a touch, and maqalka, which is dekte, a Somali is dekte, and it's also called in English is ear. Araga, which is vision, but eye in Somali is in il is one eye. You can refer to our video again, but Indo is when they are dual or more than one eye, and but araga is equivalent to vision. And then we have dadanka, which is tongue. So my next video, I arranged it according to vocabularies related to the 5 senses or xubnaha garashada. So our first one is midka ugu horeeya waxaa waaye, for example, let's go with the nose. And waxaan urinayaa. So waxaan urinayaa means I am smelling. Waxaan urinayaa caraf means I'm smelling good smell. Waxaan urinayaa udgoon means I'm smelling good scent. Waxaan urinayaa ur means I'm smelling a bad smell. Waxaan urinayaa saxan saxo. In Somali, saxan saxo is a smell, when it rains and the earth, the smell of earth when the rain falls, is called in Somali saxan saxo. Waxaan urinayaa saxan saxo. Waxaan urinayaa shiir. Shiir is a bad smell, bad human smell, bad odor. And so, okay. Our next sense is taabashada, which is touch. Waxaan dareemayaa. So you say I feel. So I feel. Waxaan dareemayaa. I feel xanuun, pain. Waxaan dareemayaa danqasho. I feel soreness. Waxaan dareemayaa twitches. Twitches, pressure of any kind. Waxaan dareemayaa taabasho, touch. Waxaan dareemayaa xanxanto, which is ticklish. Waxaan dareemayaa dhaxan, which is cold. I'm feeling cold. Waxaan dareemayaa qarqaryo, or some parts in Somali they say qarqaryo. They make the R into D. Chills. Like let's say when you're sick and you have a fever, the feeling you feel, the chills you feel is called qarqaryo. Waxaan dareemayaa kuleyl. I'm feeling hot. Waxaan dareemayaa diiranaan. Diiranaan, I should have said diiranaan. A-A-N at the end. Warmth. Maybe I need to fix the, I'll just fix warmth. Okay. Okay, waxaan dareemayaa huur. Huur is humidity, So I'm feeling humid. Oh, I'm feeling the humidity. Whatever. Waxaan dareemayaa jariiracyo, which is I'm feeling, when you get goosebumps for whatever reason. It can be caused by many things. It can be caused by emotions. When you feel cold, or you might get goosebumps. So jariiracyo. Okay, so that was for touch, which is taabashada. So let's go to hearing. So waxaan maqlayaa. So you hear hadal, talk, or conversation. Waxaan maqlayaa dhawaaq. Dhawaaq is human sound. Like if somebody yells like one word one time, I'm a dhawaaq, or I heard a sound, a call. Maybe that would be a good, yeah, I put call here. Dhawaaq. Waxaan maqlayaa qaylo. Means yelling or screaming. I'm gonna put screaming here. Waxaan maqlayaa sawaxan. Sawaxan is commotions. Like if people are fighting over and you like sleep or something and you come out. Waxaan maqlayaa buuq, noise. Like neighbors who are full of noise. Dadkan buuq badan, or these people have so much noise. Buuq. Waxaan maqlayaa cod. Cod is a voice and it's referred to human voice. Waxaan maqlayaa sharqan. Sharqan is a sound. Let's say you hear a sharqan, it can be a fall of a glass or a metal object or plastic. They have specific sound to them, right? Based on the material they're made of. So that's called sharqan. Or sharqan can be somebody, let's say you're sleeping and you hear somebody getting into your house. Those sounds that you hear, somebody keys getting in and all that, and footsteps, all that are collectively called sharqan. Waxaan maqlayaa qalow. Qalow is type of sharqan, but it's like a one-time sound, of any object. Waxaan maqlayaa jug or thump. It's like if you are stamping, or something heavy falls onto the ground. Waxaan maqlayaa gambaleel, ringing of a bell. Waxaan maqlayaa sanqaad or footsteps. Oo waxaan maqlayaa qarax, like Somali oo kale. Maskiimiinta hadda qarax badan, they hear a lot of explosions. Qarax is explosion, sound of explosion, or something explodes. It can be a fire or something that you're cooking, etc. Something that under pressure explodes. So let's go to senses, which is araga. Waxaan arkayaa iftiin, means light. Waxaan arkayaa mugdi, ama mugdiga lama arko. In a way you see darkness, I guess. Waxaan arkayaa midabo, colors. Waxaan arkayaa qaabab, shapes. Let's say you see shapes and you don't see the person fully, but if you see shapes of anything, it can be animal or can be shadow, or before you make the person out clearly and you just see some object or in the shape of a human. Sida qof qaabkiisa leh, waxaas oo kale qaabab. So qaabab is shapes. And if you go to my video about shapes, you will see qaabab. Qaabab has to do with shapes. Okay, dhadhanka. Waxaan dhadhaminayaa. Yeah, I think this was a bit tricky because waxaan dhadhaminayaa is for dhadhanka and you use it for your tongue in English, or there's 4 taste. I think there's 5. Savory. There's salty, sweet, bitter, sour, and then there's another one, but these are the primary tastes. But in Somali, I try to come up with the most suitable. Even though, let's say, waxaan dhadhaminayaa, I'm tasting danan, which is salty. We also say that sometimes, like limo danan, which is a lemon taste, we call it danan, or the lemon, which is a, the bitter, the green lemon, like, yeah, lemon is dana, is bitter, or right, or something, I don't know, but Somali will call it danan. But the primary thing also, when you cook a food and it's salty, We call it danaan, but primarily I put it majority where would it fit. So danaan is normally salty. Macaan is sweet. Waxaan dhadhaminayaa danaan, I'm tasting salty. Waxaan dhadhaminayaa macaan, which is sweet. Waxaan dhadhaminayaa qaraar ama qadhaadh, which is bitter, like when you take a pill or something. Yeah, that doesn't taste pleasant. And waxaan dhadhaminayaa suusac, sour, like sour cream that tastes. Somalians make the milk, sometimes they turn the milk into type of I think a type of yogurt, and they let it stay longer and they shake it, and then it ends up with this taste, and it's called susa, but that's closest taste to English is a sour. Yeah. So this video is based on five senses as well as vocabularies related to the five senses, and you can kind of keep practicing them and you'll hear them a lot, and hopefully that will help. So again, please subscribe to my channel, Hoy Somali. Also I have a Twitter, Hoy Somali, and I have a Facebook channel that I don't, it's not that professional, but at least I also post the same videos there. And also my YouTube, I changed to a bit like I wrote the Somali part of my Hoy Somali as an English form, just to increase the exposure of my channel. But I like it the way it's written in Somali, just for now, until I decide. So thank you, have a great day.